In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create auto-generate color grading styles in Photoshop. First, click on the adjustment layer icon and choose Gradient Map. Go to the Layer panel. Change the blend mode of the Gradient Map layer to Hard Mix. And reduce the fill to 30%. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Press and hold down Alt to split the white slider and black slider. And click OK. Open the Gradient Map properties by double-clicking Thumbnail. And click to edit the gradient. Click on the gradient type and choose the noise. Reduce the roughness to 7%. Click on the Randomize, it generates unlimited dramatic color grading styles. Once you're satisfied, click OK.